Squarespace blueprint tutorial, how to create a website from scratch on Squarespace. Hello guys, Ilya here. In this video I'm going to show you how can we use a new feature by Squarespace. So they provide us the opportunity to create our own template like blueprint stuff. So here we are on squarespace.com. If you are new to this platform, you'll have to create an account. In my case, I'll just simply click on get started, but you can easily do it with your Gmail. It will be pretty easy as for you to start interacting with Squarespace. And here on our templates area, if we need to build our own template, just simply click on this button in the right side. Sometimes it could be easier or more suitable as for us to create our own template. Let's go. And now, firstly, we need to set up our website name. So just simply write something I'd like to use. Let it be like website made easy. Next. And now we are starting to create it by simply building our homepage section by section. We can add as many sections as we need. As you can see, we have 7 different sections: intro, products, devices, about, social, forms, and footer section. And here for every section, we have a couple of templates we can use. If you don't want, you can do not add section. For example, I don't want to add product section, so I will not add it. But first, of course, let's add intro. And in order to change our section, we can just simply click on the necessary one. And after that, it will be automatically added. For example, I added this product section. And what if I don't want to use? How can I remove? We don't have button to delete. And in order to delete this section from our template, just simply click once more. And as you can see, it will be automatically deleted and it will be hidden from our template. The same thing with services. I would like to add this button, this template here, about section, but basically I would like to move it up, let it be higher than our services. Social section, I'd like to use this one here, or maybe this one. Basically, you can choose any template, any option here. In my case, I'll just simply choose it as I need because I'm creating a website for my own purposes. Form section, if you want to collect some data like name, email, and so on, let it be, for example, this one here. And the footer one, I'd like to use a simple footer, let it be like this. Let's click on next to start the next step. And now, after creating our home page, we can add some additional pages to our site: about, contact, shop, and services. And also, if we want to add some more pages or some other pages, we can easily do it a little bit later. I'll show you how to do it. But if we want to create just simple one-page website, we can disable all these checkboxes, and let's click on next. In your case, just simply choose whatever you want and you like to. Next step is to choose our color palette. Basically, Squarespace provides us a huge amount of different color palette which are combined and they look really good together, and it depends on your choice. If you're using these kind of images, these dark images, it will be pretty cool to use monochromatic. If you want to use bright images, we can use bright color theme and so on. In my case, let's use these the first bold color palette. As you can see, we have a lot of them, so you can try to click and then you can find something suitable as for you, as for your vision, as for your purposes, and so on. I would like to use this simple color palette. And the next step is to choose a font pairing. So these custom pairing were created by our designers. There are other font options you can explore later. And basically, let's say that we can also click for every single font pack, and then we can find something suitable as for us. But in my case, I often use these pop-ins stuff. I think it's really good and it's normal to interact, to see, to read. Let's click on finish. And that's basically all steps for a Squarespace blueprint, creating template, features, options. After that, we'll only have normal things, and I'll show you how to add some additional things. Basically, as I already said, we need to add some additional pages if it's like important as for you. So after everything is done and everything is set up as for this website, we can easily interact with this structure. So let's wait until everything will be like operated. It may take a little time, depends on server's capacity, some other stuff. So as you can see, something went wrong, so we can go to template and then we'll be able to interact with some other things. But in your case, I think everything will be okay. And basically, let's go to one of my templates I already have. I've created them a little bit later, or a little bit earlier, basically. Now we can open our own like dashboard. So let's open our dashboard, and here from this page we can easily select our website, and now we can like interact in the same way as we already have. So if you want to see some more in-depth tutorials, for example about editor, about how to interact with maybe products, analytics, CEO stuff, you can search for these videos on my channel or on YouTube itself, because all the steps now are just pretty like easy. On the websites folder, we can add and delete our structure. We can add different pages, blog stuff, store, portfolio, events, videos, courses, and so on. On analytics, we can analyze traffic sources, search keywords, geography, and some other things. On selling folder, we can interact with our e-commerce stuff, manage products, payments, subscription stuff, publish products, and so on. So if you're going to discover a Squarespace plans, we can see that we can easily create a Squarespace website completely on basic plan, but we also have personal, business, commerce basic, and commerce advanced. Prices are different depending on like would you like to pay monthly or annually, and we can save up to 30%. I recommend you to try Squarespace by your own, try to create it like from blueprint, and then you can compare prices like for what do you need. You can find all the features in this table with like checkboxes. Is your feature available or not? And after that, you'll be able to decide would you like to use one of these plans. As for me, Squarespace is really worth using, and I recommend you to try this platform at least to try. So yeah, hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.